Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Windows 10 from automatically installing Windows 11 on your PC. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your computer. Click on Update and Security, then select Windows Update. If you see an option to upgrade to Windows 11, simply do not click Download or Install. Instead, click on Pause Updates to temporarily stop updates from installing. Next, to fully block the Windows 11 upgrade, press Windows plus R, type regedit, and press Enter. This will open the registry editor. Now, navigate to the following path: HKEY_local_machine, Software, Policies, Microsoft, Windows Update. If you don't see the Windows Update folder, right-click on Windows, select New, then Key, and name it Windows Update. Inside this folder, right-click on an empty area, select New, then DWORD 32-bit value, name it Target Release Version, and set its value to 1. Next, create another DWORD 32-bit value called Target Release Version Info. Double-click it, and enter 21H2 or your current Windows 10 version. Close the registry editor and restart your PC. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful Windows tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.